Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today we will discuss uh, about the school uniform should be mandatory or not. So first, we will introduce ourselves. So my name is Muhammad Salamullah.
My name is Alur Rafishan Jamanik.
My name is Hilmi Arsyad.
And my name is Muhammad Ilasa.
And now let's start. So first, guys, I want to ask you about your opinion about should school uniform be mandatory or not. Start from you.
Yes, the uniform must be used for school, for any school in Indonesia. He must use a uniform from the school, or not. He buy a uniform in the market, but the same with others.
And what about you?
Okay, so I have to answer about the school uniform. So in some country, is some school there is no uniform or free for the clothes or uniform. But I think it's that not discipline because maybe he is the not formal clothes. But for me, I choose the uniform school because it's make student is more disciplined than more tidy. That's all.
And you?
For me, I have some options. So the first option is so the school uniform is optional or not mandatory. So as you see in some school in America or in university, they have no uniform or only have like what?
Sure.
So
Yes.
yes. That's I never see that.
Even like so the school is more like about freedom, so they not have the mandatory about uniform, but in Indonesia uniform is a mandatory because it's not only for like disciplines you, but it also can make you to make all people know your school.
Yes.
For example, like this blue shirt is from IDN, or like batik from where. So the uniform is optional and not mandatory for me.
Okay. In my opinion, uniform should be optional how to say pilihan kedua gitu. Because second option. Because not everyone the have the money to buy the uniform, but if books like books or others is a must, because without books we cannot learning anything. But if without uniforms, we can still use other clothes like how to say yeah like example how to say you can use kemeja or t-shirt and others. But yeah, that's back to the what is the purpose of the uniform itself. And now, what do you think about the school that have the policies to use to make that have policies that school uniform is mandatory? What do you think?
So we can see as two example of schools in different regions. From the first school is from America or USA, and the second school is from the Japan or Korea. So these two countries has two different policies about the uniform. So like in America, you can use any clothes there, and it's not become mandatory. But in Japan or Korea, it's mandatory because the policy is there. And if you see from the countries, that use what
This uniform.
uniform for military, usually is more disciplined than the countries that not use it. Because if you see America, many people is not clean or little bit dirty, and it's that they doesn't have some that is consistent. But if like Japan, Korea, they have something that is very consistent. For example, mm, if you ever seen photo after Japan versus Indonesia,
Yes.
in the what when Persero ruang ganti,
Yes.
after they use it, they always clean it, not like other countries. And because of that, they are very disciplined, and the countries become more
Uh,
forward than other countries. That's why Japan is called 2050 country, or the technology that is very forward than them.
Yep. Okay. What the mandatory of uniform is back to the school. Like in America, is not using the formal uniform or free clothes, free uniforms. But I will explain first why the America some school in America is use the free uniform, because in America we don't know what actually happening there. We can see is in America is all is speech, but it's not all. So the school has a policy to that if there is money or poor is can use the free uniform. But in Indonesia is because the like the president or right is the government is uh,
okay, yeah. Obligated.
the government is obligated to use the formal uniform to make your discipline and more tidy. That's all.
What was it? Huh? You don't have any opinion?
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, now we go to the next question.
You know, the
I don't have any opinion. So the next is the pros and cons of the policies when school uniforms be as mandatory. Can start from you.
Yes.
What is the pros and cons of the pro dan kontra when the school uniform is be a mandatory? Apa juga?
Okay, my opinion is you must use your uniform before your
Headmaster ya.
before your headmaster tell you to buy new uniform, because but many people choose more little school, the 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 pay value is more value is more small. And then uh, many people to have a value big, and value big people choose IDN boarding school job. Yeah, and then the poor people will choose just like swasta and how to say negeri. And then in that school the teacher is not to be disciplined for the student, but in the more high value school the teacher is more disciplined to the student. Nah, you can have a little the comparison about the value of the school. And then for the uniform, I think it must be used because uniform is the one of image from the school. Because if anyone don't know what what are you school, and then uh, people will see in the batik the batik or the special uniform in that school, like Al Azhar is uh, green white, and in the end is blue. Yes. Okay, that's my opinion.
And now for me, the pros of using the pros of policies that make school uniform is mandatory is can train the students discipline. But the cons is the school fees are getting more expensive. So we should arrange our money to buy the school uniforms too. Atau say di luar kebutuhan to buy book and uh, the other tools for study, we should buy the school uniform too. And maybe that's all for me. Yeah. Yeah.
I have a little bit opinion. So the pros is maybe if we survey the people who wants to using uniforms or not is about 60-40. 60% doesn't want and 40% want. Like many people is want to use his uniforms, like maybe his school is was very up or popular, so people will say people was the people that is that schools in popular schools. But many why many people doesn't want to use it is because freedom. And if you like using white and white uniforms and then tie and then what belt, and maybe in the morning you have like morning ceremony, it's make you hot and doesn't good for you. That's why many people is doesn't like the uniform. But the pro is like Indonesia, the government always say our uniforms can make disciplines our country. But the cons is same like Isan before. It's not. It's about the fee or the money that people have, and then fee lah. And maybe if you see disciplines of people, yeah, not all people in this country is disciplined even with uniform.
Okay. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for listening or thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Dadah.